Hey there, I'm Rihanna, your backpacking bestie from Australia. In this video, I'm taking you along for 2 unforgettable days in Bali. Day 1, we spend the day soaking up jungle views and good vibes at Cretya Day Club, which sits right on the edge of stunning Tegallalang Rice Terraces, themed cocktails, infinity pools, and the dreamiest backdrop you can imagine. Day 2 was all about Bali's spiritual and natural beauty. We started with a water blessing at Tirta Empul Temple, then we're chasing waterfalls at Timbumana and Kanto Lampo. This channel is not just about the destination, it's about the besties that we meet that make every place so special. So come with me today to have an amazing adventure in Bali.
All right, this place looks really cute. Let's see if it's open. Selamat pagi, are you open? Yeah? This place is so beautiful. I'm a happy girl this morning. She's stunning. Good morning from Ubud. I'm very happy to be here. I'm feeling a lot better today, thank the Lord. So today I am meeting up with a friend that I met yesterday. So when I was walking to go to a cafe, she was standing there and looking at the monkeys, and I talked to her and I got her Instagram, and now we are going to go adventure today. So I believe we're going to Cretya, which is like a beautiful restaurant with like the infinity pools and, you know, the typical touristy kind of stuff. And then after that, I believe we might go to a waterfall. So come with me today for a beautiful adventure in Ubud. Alright, we just got to this place. Hey! Alright, where do we go? Did they say? Okay. Hi, good morning. Oh, so this is the coffee. So, the poop coffee. Oh, let's go check it out.
Well, you're not tourist over the year, actually.
Featured the poop.
Cái màu à? Cái con màu.
Selamat pagi. Baik. So it costs $20 to come into this place, and that gives you access to the pool as well as the rice terraces. So I thought it was worth it because look at this view. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so cool. All right, give me my phone. I'm on Instagram. All right, let's go to the rice terraces. All right, I think we're going this way. Did she say this way? Oh, rice field. No, you're right. It is this way. Oh. Selamat pagi.
Pagi.
So Chloe and I were just laughing that you can hire out the dresses that you can do on the swing. You should do it, Chloe. We don't want to be judged by the other tourists. I'm not judging. I'm kind of jealous, aren't I? Where are they? Oh. You're judging. They're everywhere. They're all wearing their dresses. Okay, they do look pretty cool. We're judging still.
This place is just for Instagram, no?
It is just for Instagram, isn't it? Are we mad though? Oh my gosh. Holy crap! I nearly fell over. It is really rocky. Oh my gosh! I nearly dropped my phone. Roar! So we will be over there in approximately probably 15 minutes. Ooh, she's a bit dark and mysterious. I can't even see the floor. We made it out! Is it? Oh, it's to the... that was like a journey to the toilets. It's like Narnia. It is 24 degrees, probably 100% humidity. We are ready for the pool. Let's go. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Baik. Ah, little. We made it. Wow. Chloe was just saying that we feel very fancy right now. Look at us. Get in. I want to see you crawl in there. Don't fall. Oh.
Actually, here is the private area.
Oopsies, it's a private area. Okay. Let's get out. Wow. Ready? Cheers. So Chloe and I are discussing that
Boyfriends are taking pictures.
so they're taking photos. The boyfriends are taking photos of the girlfriend.
To post her on Instagram so other guys would see the picture. Like this.
Ironic, isn't it? I feel like an Instagram boyfriend right now. Is it cold? Is it actually cold? It's too cold. All these Instagram girls are faking it. It's cold, guys. Chloe wasn't lying. It's freezing. They're all lying. It's not comfortably warm, guys. Oh, okay. What's the drink? Too cold. Let's get out. So we're doing a photo shoot. We want that photo. So I'm gonna run upstairs. I'll see you in a second. Let's go. The things you do for a photo, right? But we better be grateful that I'm walking through the water to get her photo. All right, where is she? I had to crawl through the water. You better be grateful. And then a wild Chloe appears. We are waiting for the spot. Here's the great. So we are waiting. You love yourself. We're waiting because these people are taking the spot. What did you get?
Spaghetti with the pesto and chicken.
Yum, spaghetti. Oh, enak. Ah, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Dig in. It's a little bit unsafe, guys.
No,
There's no barrier. You think this is safe? How is this safe? That's trees. If you go down there, if you fall down there, I don't think there's a chance. See all the photos? being taken. We were waiting like 10 minutes for this lady in front of us to take a photo. There's lots of Instagram girls here, but who are we to speak? We're one of the Instagram girls today, aren't we? But it's okay. It's okay for one day, right? Okay, let's go to the coffee place. The poop coffee. Not just any coffee, poop coffee. There was nobody this morning, but now there's so many people. It's good to come early, guys. Is this tea?
We are making for the tea.
Oh, coffee. Ah, very nice. Ah, enough. Smells good in here, doesn't it? Does it smell good? Smells like coffee? And poop? Does it smell like poop? No, no poop. Okay, time to go. We are going to this tonight, so Legong dance. Hey! I got my backpacking besties, yay! Judy nicely asked the person if we can go sit down. Good job, Judy. Yay! Now we get to sit. We have a new player. Hey! Alright, what are we gonna have? Are we happy? Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah? Yeah, let's do it. Didn't see it. Wow, this is not what we're expecting. We have a little friend on the table. Give me some foot rubs. Oh shit. Oh god. This is social anxiety. Sorry guys. I got the flash on. Hey guys, how's your food? Great, great food, great food. Excellent, yummy. Amazing. I haven't even started and they're already finished. So good morning from Bali. We are back for a good adventure today. Oh, I can't even talk today. Good morning from Bali. We are excited for our adventure today. Where are we going, Chloe? Because I can't pronounce it. That, I can't pronounce it. Well, I can pronounce it. I just keep forgetting what it's called. So we are going to do a temple today. We are also going to do some waterfalls. And yeah, let's go. Let's adventure. Selamat pagi. No, I wish. I can be Balinese now. Wow, this is gorgeous. Cantik. That is so interesting. So they say it's a respect thing to tie your hair up. So flawless hairstyle, girl. Water is so clear, like look. Okay, so we have the correct wear on now. We are going to go with the tour, which is like a holy water. So let's go.
Oh, this is the opening.
how'd you find that experience?
Very good.
I really liked that. It was really, I don't know. Yeah, it is calming. And I'm glad we did it. My ears are hurting a little bit though from the water, but 100%.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it was a bit cold, but 100% recommended experience. This is like a maze to get to the parking lot. Oh my gosh. I wish I could sit in my suitcase. I really like that. Yeah. This is my amazing driver. Hey! Where do we go now?
Maybe you're going to Tibumana Waterfall, yeah?
Okay.
Maybe near in parking.
Yeah?
Tibumana Waterfall, not mini tourist. Maybe you.
Finally, we can eat. Our drivers have been so adorable. We decided to hire them for the day. The driver was so nice, I couldn't say no to him, and I really want to hang out with him as well. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow. Yes. This is so beautiful. We have found the spot. Aren't we so lucky? My hair is very frizzy. I have a little bit of eczema on my face because of Indonesia, but you know what? It doesn't matter because I'm in Bali and I'm happy. And are you happy? Hello, selamat siang. Ya.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Enak. Very enak. Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Alright, we're nearly there. Okay, maybe not. We have a bit of a hike to go. This is like boyfriends of Instagram again. Oh, it's not too bad today, isn't it? We laugh at them, but we're also those people. Is it cold? Let me test it. I thought it wasn't. It's not that bad.
I think it's colder than the British.
Aren't we lucky? All right, we are at. You're just touching things out. I'm excited. This should be a good one. So Chloe's convinced me to do Mount Bator. We were supposed to do it tomorrow, but luckily we're doing it the day after because look at these stairs. What must go down must come up. My calves are already hurting. I think we came at peak time. This is actually ridiculous.
Yeah.
There are so many tourists here, which is okay because it's a beautiful place, but oh my gosh, way too many. Apparently it's a 2-hour wait to get a photo. That can't be real, right? I don't think it's real. Did you see the sign? You can't be naked, okay? No naked. No.
Look at them.
Oh, wow. Look at all those Instagram people.
See, because the woman all to be like a sexy model.
Sexy model. I want to be that.
You can see your bikini.
There was also a photographer there.
Look at him. He's like instructing them how to pose. Oh, you can't see the lady from here, but you got beer. Oh, good. We had someone taking our photos And you know what? I think that is the best money I've ever spent. That was incredible. He was such a good photographer. He made you feel so confident, and it was just great. I loved that so much. Oh, right. Let's go back to the hostel. All right, we are back at the same place that we ate last night because it is too good to not come back. Wow. This looks so good. So what did you get? You got...
I got the noodle, fried noodle with tofu.
Nice. What did you get?
I don't know, something with
You got a hat. You got a meal with a hat.
It comes with rice crackers as well.
And I got the pork belly and rice with the hat.
Wow.
All right, let's dig in. Yay! This is what happens behind the scenes. It does look really nice, to be fair.
It's really smelly.
It does smell. He's going to be turning me off my food. We give him good rubs and he needs to leave. Oh, God. Okay.
Wait, is he fighting?
He needs to leave. He needs to leave. We are fed, we are happy, and we are ready for bed. So don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. All right, let's go to bed.